Welcome to Get to Know the Speaker of Digital Confex. Today we have with us Ajay Awale, who is Head of IT at Aquapharm Chemicals Private Limited. He will be speaking on the topic Unlocking the Potential of AI for Business Transformation during the Information and Technology Conference happening at Le Meridian in New Delhi on 22nd September 2023. Hi Ajay, welcome to the chat show.
Good evening. Thanks. Thanks for the invitation. Yeah.
It was pleasure to have you on this chat, Ajay. So please give us a brief introduction of yourself and your field of expertise for the audience.
Hi everyone. So I am Ajay Awale, working in Aquapharm Chemicals currently, and now being into manufacturing sector, I do have more than 22 plus years of experience in my bucket. So right from media to mechanical industries and food and pharma industries, and then chemicals. So that's how my journey is already. So since beginning, I think it's a IT field, which is information technology. I have seen, KB era to GB era, you can say, or maybe no G to 5G, for example. So that's how, the entire journey is. Good acumen of business areas, wherein IT is not only an enabling function, but worked as a business partners also in recent days. There are a lot of good projects which supported business and then turn into a good ROI also. So maybe I'll definitely speak in detail in the event, surely. So let's see. Yeah.
So Ajay, how excited are you for this event?
I'm too much excited. In fact, it's a wonderful platform which is provided to such a leaders like me, who have, seen the IT world at least, or maybe tried to get some knowledge from the IT field and then try to give it back to the newcomers or maybe, non-IT people basically. So it's a wonderful platform to share and, express yourself, uh, which is, exciting, definitely exciting, no doubt.
So moving forward, I have a few questions for you today. So my first question is how AI importance is in the manufacturing sector right now.
So AI is is itself is an intelligence word actually, and it's not only manufacturing, but being into manufacturing, I will focus into this area. But it has grabbed the entire world, no doubt about it. When I talk about manufacturing, then it is related to processes, it is related to automation, and it is related to increase in the production basically. So all the manufacturers must be looking at this particular AI as an tool to be implemented or utilized in the growth journey basically. So when I see manufacturing, then of course plant comes into picture, then mechanical processes comes into picture, and people and technology. So all these three areas combined, I think AI plays a vital role. So when I say plant, when I say mechanical, areas, then how to reduce the time of production, how to increase, the efficiency of the manufacturing processes, how to, motivate people with the AI tools in place. So all this comes into picture. I have, personally come across various examples and various implementations, in fact, in the plant, which has gathered a lot of different areas of IT like IoT or it may be RPA, and then combined with some analytics and the AI, which is on top of it as a top layer, worked fantastic. I mean, the promoters they seen some value and they liked it. So various projects are there, various implementations are there, and definitely AI is turning the right technology for the manufacturing, and you will see a different shift or a distinguishing shift in the manufacturing area. Sure.
It was nice how you tell us about all the processes that AI importance is there in manufacturing sector. So my next question is how AI is transforming businesses and improving customer experiences.
Oh, surely. I think, see, what is AI? When we go into deep of the AI and see what is that. So it is nothing but the mapping of the behavior of the customers. and then reacting on it. So irrespective of in which area you are, whether it's a retail customer, whether it's service customer, whether it's a product customer. So all these customers, their behaviors are mapped based on the seasonality, based on the current trends, based on the historic data, etc., and then reaction onto it. And this reaction makes customers pleasant. That's where AI plays a vital role. I mean, there are a lot of examples, no doubt about it. But a simple businessman can forecast his, the revenue by seeing his historic data, by seeing his current trend in the market, the seasonality, which kind of season is there, and whether the product is effective in that season or not. So many aspects are there, and a lot of information is already there on the internet. That is also one of the angle to boost the AI. So combining everything, when the decision is comes out, then he gets all the forecasting, he gets how to move ahead in the business, and that makes a lot of difference. And that's where AI, very crucial, very crucial.
So tell us, what are some potential changes that Gen AI can provide to do businesses?
See, generative AI, when we say, then it has the power to take the decisions autonomously. Okay, which is definitely a distinguishing factor than the earlier era of say reports or dashboards. So when we see a report, then of course you have number of data fields. They're plotted in a tabular format or something like that. Then we came across some dashboards wherein people were made taking decisions based on the dashboards. So that's how it is distinguished. And then now generative AI. So in terms of that only, if I talk about, then it will take his own decision based on that historic data or based on the situation there, which is quite recommendable. I mean, say when you deploy somebody as a decision maker there, or you enforce some resources there to take some decisions, which is based on the data again, then don't need those. AI itself is capable to generate those decisions and making the results turned out for you. Of course, I mean, it's not applicable to everywhere, because such areas are there wherein you have to have some human interface, because these are quite critical also, or maybe some risk associated with some decisions. But 99.9% into business, the decisions made on the data, made on the past data or history or trends or etc., and number of factors, then generative AI is capable. It's definitely capable. It takes the decision, and it makes the promoters or the chairpersons or the stakeholders to move ahead in the right direction, I would say.
Thanks, Ajay. It was great connecting with you, and I think the audience will also cherish all the points that you have talked in this chat show. And I am also thrilled with your excitement to join our conference. So, any words for our participants who will be joining this conference?
I think I would like to tell them that please enjoy the moments. Please do share your questions also and get satisfied with the answers, because the speakers like me who will definitely talk on the case studies, and those will be exciting to know. So enjoy the day and enjoy the forums there.
Great, good to know. Thanks for your time today, Ajay, and to all the participants. Don't miss this session happening on Information Technology Conference on 22nd September 2023, presented by Digital Confex at Le Meridian in New Delhi. Get a great chance to connect with him in person. See you soon, Ajay.
Thanks a lot, Ayush. See you.